be fit and fine. So welcome to our English grammar class. Okay? So before we start, I'll ask you some questions. You will answer me? Yes? Okay. Now see this one. What is this? This is a scale. What is that? That is a calendar. What is this? This is a chalk. What is that? That is a duster. Yes or no? Children, you must be thinking, why your miss is saying this is a pen, that is a chalk? Why? Because our topic of discussion is what? This, that, these and those. Okay? Now your miss will be telling you where to use this, where to use that, these and those. How we are going to use that. Okay? Children, we use this to talk about someone or something that is nearby. The scale was near to me. That is why I said this is a scale. We use that to talk about someone or something that is far away. When we talk about someone or something and the object must be one. The object, the thing, the person must be one. Okay? And that person or the object must be far away. Okay? When we talk about someone or something that is far away, we use that. That is why I said that is a duster. The duster was far away from me. Okay? And in the book, it means it is indicated by this arrow mark. Clear? Understood? Children, when we talk about the singular object or the persons, then we use this or that. This for the near thing and that for the far away thing. Okay? Now, where do we use these and those? We use these when we talk about more than one nouns that are nearby. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. So I can say these are pens because there are more than one pen. There are plural objects. Okay? So when we talk about the plural person, many persons, objects, in that case we use these and those things must be near to you. These are pens. I can say these pens are near to me and I can say that these are pens. Okay? Where do we use those then? We use those when we talk about more than one nouns that are far away. When we talk about many persons or objects, those are far away. See, I am just giving you an example. Those are cups. See? How many cups are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cups. Okay? Many means plural objects. Clear? And those cups are far away from me. So that is known as those are cups. So, clear? And how you will come to know about the far away things? In the copy or the book it is indicated by this arrow mark. By this you will come to know that which thing is near to you and which thing is far away from you. Children, now we will come to know where to use this, that, these and those. Okay? See, here I have written, this is an apple. See this apple? Object is 1 and the apple is near to us. So that is why I will use here, this is an apple. Okay? See this tree? This tree is near or far away? I told you it is indicated by this arrow mark. Okay? So this tree is far away from us. So in that place, and the object is 1. In that place I will use that is the tree. Clear? Now, see this cup is near or far away from you? Near to you. Yes or no? So this is a cup. The object is 1. In every cases when we use this and that, the object must be 1. Clear? And see this bell is far away from us. Okay, and it is indicated by this arrow mark. In that case, what will I use? That is the bin. Understood? Where to use this and where to use that. If the object is near to you, we will use this, and if the object is far away from you, we will use that. Now children, let's discuss where to use these and where to use those. See, here how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. When there are more than one object, one person, in that place, we use these. Yes or no? And the things must be near to you. Clear? So these pens are near or far away? They are near, and there are many pens, means more than one pens. Plural thing is there. Clear? So in that case, we will use these are pens. Okay? Understood? Now see this one. I have written here, those are flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. More than one flower. Okay? So in this case, it is also indicated by this arrow mark that these flowers are far away from you. So in that case, you will use those are flowers. Okay? We use these and those for the plural objects, many persons. Okay? See this one. How many cups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in here the cups are near or far away from you? They are near because there is no arrow mark over here. So in that case, what you will use? These are cups because there are many cups. Clear? How many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3. But this arrow mark indicates that these glasses are far away from us. Okay, in that case, what you will use? Those are glasses. Understood? This and that is used for the singular objects, singular person. Okay, and this is used for the nearby things and that for the far away things. And these and those are used for the plural things, plural nouns. Okay, and the things if they are near to you, you will use these, and the things which are far away from you, you will use those. Understood, children? Children, we use this when the person or the object is singular and when it is near to you, and this becomes this when the object or the person becomes plural. Okay, and those things must be near to you. Okay, so this becomes these. Remember this, when the object is one, it is this, and when the objects are many and those objects are near to you, it becomes these. See, this is a boy. This boy is near or far? Near. And the person is one. So this is a boy. And see how many boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these boys are near to you or far away from you? Near. So this will become these. So these are boys. Clear? Plural form. Clear? Now see this one. That is a ball. This ball we use that for the far away things and those also. Clear? So that is the ball. This ball is far away from us. Okay, so that is why, and the object is one ball. That is why that is the ball. And when the ball becomes 3, then it becomes plural. So what we are going to use here, that will become those. Those are balls, and this arrow mark indicates that these balls are far away from you. Understood? So this becomes this, that becomes those when it is plural. When it is singular, it is this. When it is plural, it is this. Then when it is singular and far away from you, it means it is that. And when it is plural and far away from you, this that becomes those. Clear? Now we will discuss the thing in the worksheet. Clear?
So children, now welcome to the worksheet part. Okay, now we will be discussing the exercises which is going to be done in your worksheet. Clear? See this one. Now open English My Best Book 5. Page number 6. Page number 6. This is your, this, that, these and those. From here it's starting. Clear? See, it is written over here. We use this to talk about someone or something that is nearby. We use that to talk about someone or something that is far away, as we have already discussed in the video. Now see this one. Here the boy is holding one apple. Can you see this apple? Yes. Now the apple is near to the boy. So what we are going to write here? This is an apple. And this mango is far away from this boy. So that is a mango. Clear? Now see, this bird is near to the boy. So this is a bird. And this nest is far away from this boy. So that is a nest. Clear? This one flower is near. So this is a flower. And this garden is far away. So that is a garden. Okay. And here the objects are one. Singular objects. Clear? Now look at these pictures and read the sentences. Okay. Now this girl is pointing to the chicks. Okay. So, and these chicks are two. Clear? And these chicks are near to this girl. So these are chicks. And here see, this hen is far away or not from this girl. And the hens are also two. Yes or no? Yes. So those are hens. So I told you these and those are used for the plural objects, plural things, plural person, animals. Okay. For the plural nouns we used to use these and those. Clear? Now see this one. This pencils are near to this girl. So these are pencils. And see, these books are far away. Okay. And these books are many. So those are books. Now see, these cups are near to this boy. So these two cups are there, isn't it? So these are cups. And see, these glasses are far away from this boy. So those are glasses. Okay. And here see this one. So the boy is holding the brushes. So these are brushes. And this paints is far away from this boy. So those are paints. And here the objects are one. No, the objects are many. Clear? So we use these and those for the plural nouns. Clear? Now see this one. Here some words are given over here. You are going to fill in this paragraph by using these words. With these words you are going to fill up this paragraph. Clear? Hi friends. I am Gaurav. This is my dog, Hira. Hira was gifted to me by my uncle. Okay? Whenever I call him, he comes running to me. He has soft fur. He has a small tail. Dog generally used to have no fur and tail. Yes or no? Yes. Which he keeps wagging. Hira loves playing fetch with me in the park. Mom feeds him fresh milk and bread every day. I take care of Hira. Hira loves me a lot. We are best friends. Okay? So you are going to complete this paragraph by filling in these words. Clear? Now this one is PW thing. This one is your practice work. You are going to complete. What will you do if you see a street dog lying in the open on a cold night just outside your house? What you are going to do? You will take the correct sentence. Clear till this much you are going to complete in your worksheet. Understood? In our next video, we will be discussing the exercises which you are going to write in your copy. Understood, children? Okay, take care of yourself. Till then, bye-bye. Now, children, let's discuss the exercises which you are going to write in your English 4-line copy. Okay? Now say this one. Before you write, you know that you are going to write section B, grammar, topic, name, this, that, this, those. Okay? Page number, date. Clear? So let's get started. Fill in the blanks using this or that. This ball is near or far? Near. And the object is one. Yes or no? So this is a ball. This glass is far away from you and it is indicated by this arrow mark. That is a glass. This is an apple. That is a butterfly. This is a pen. Clear? Now fill in the blanks using these or those. Here, see this one. How many kites are there? 3 kites and they are near to you. Yes or no? Yes. So these are kites. And these books are far away from us. Yes or no? Because it is indicated by this arrow mark. So, and the objects are also many. Plural nouns. Clear? So those are books. How many cups are there? 3. And they are near or far away from you? Far. It is indicated by this arrow mark. So what you are going to write here? Those are cups. And these flowers? They are near. So these are flowers. And these mangoes? So they are far away. So those are mangoes. Okay. Now write the sentence by changing this to these and that to those. Okay. So this is a boy and this will change to boy when it becomes plural. So here 1 boy and here 3 boys. So this is a boy. These are boys. That is a bird. Those are birds because they are far away from us. Okay. Here 1 bird is there. So that is where that is a bird. And here that will change to those when it becomes plural. Those are birds. Clear? This is a house. 1 house is there. And this house and here how many houses are there? 4 houses and they are near to us. So this is a house. These are houses. This will change to these and that will change to those. That is a tree. Those are tree. Here 1 tree and here many trees. So that is a tree. Those are trees. This is a banana and here these are bananas. Because here there is 1 banana and here there are 4 bananas. So till this much only you are going to write in your copy. Okay, we will be again meeting with each other in our next video. So till then take care of yourself. Bye-bye.